How to delete likes on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on a device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the top right corner. As you do that, tap on the gear icon over here that will lead you to settings and privacy. Now just scroll down and under the category of your activity, you can see the option of activity log. So tap on activity log. As you do that, here you can see in the blue lines there are different options, so just drag it to the left and you can see the options of likes and reactions over here. So tap on likes and reactions. As you do that, you can see all the likes that you have. Now what you simply need to do to dislike or just delete the likes on Facebook is tap on the three dotted lines and then tap on unlike. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.